That wasn't a public announcement.
Don't believe everything you hear in the media. I will track you down! I will wear your skin! And I will feast on your bones! Welcome to hell. You know why you're in hell? You know why you're all here? You're here for a job, aren't you?
Yes.
Yeah, you're here to get a good job.
Yes, sir.
And to make money.
Yes, sir.
Send it back to your family.
Yes, Daddy.
Yes, Daddy.
That is it.
Now, you know why I made you change your costume?
No, Daddy.
Well, it's because this. You thought you were coming for a good job? Yes. You thought you were coming for a good pay?
Yes, Daddy.
Someone lied to you.
You
maintain fast. Hey, you pass out the road.
the minimum. But I change our chance. Come at din table. Eh? Spa. Say, when you be more. Hello. Who's any be?
Hey, are they?
Green. You try watch it.
Spa. Adi and Kasa. Why ne?
I trust another.
Okasa ya. Boy. Another one.
To nam di jawo.
Hey, won't me tell me.
Chama na unya bichi ana ujo wonu se.
Found me. Na boy, adwuma no wate ho asem.
So mo adwuma bi no mo keka keka. Green.
O ma na nso a odwen ho sen. Ko broni adwuma de. Ko
se adwuma na wo kan me matio. Aha. Meti yenyene. Ba we no. Ene ye physical money. What you say? We ne de no ani mi di udi akwa me live na de o. Faka aka 5 faka masa. Faka.
Open me di me no no.
Broni adwuma fina. Ono afina da ba kra no betwa plane ticket obedu ya. We ne de mi di akwa me live.
Maya ne ntie se so abawo.
Wabedru.
Se sa na asem netie as forms ho nsensem bi abam na na. O se ye ne tena se ne ke hu de be ye. Because adwuma bi say no Ghana ha na nkasa adwuma papa nhyere ni ha. Ko ye adwuma yi kra ye ntua woka. Ese se chacha na na woni wo.
Eno na me hwe na we de.
Ni prisika. Ah?
Great. Yatini. To. Try woni bimpo. What do you mean? Yet. Spa.
Prisika ni wa.
So now we have to walk to bound up with What are you pay for, sir? What's in wrong? First come, uncle. First come.
Me have come. I jump on for Jimmy Bajusika or Jimmy Crow. I go back to Casama Minimum. I don't know. I don't know where any brief for me, any brief for any fucking from. Talk grow me, Dick, open so plan. America, America, there be a Mikasa and Kojogi, on Pessoco. Oh boy, my beauty at you. We're fucking first come. I'll buy a dear woman, Madame, for no heavy blow above.
For 20 the count, for 20 the count, for 20 the count.
In the brief
for 20 the count.
20 by 15,000. 15 cities
for you, mammy.
Mammy, small 5 city, we in the brief for. Listen,
America, the Marco.
I didn't say I'm a cannibal, I can't bet you. I come in my people. I didn't feel nonsense.
You're going to go and say, you man, the bit of my check over interview.
It is just a Meconia, a fatty cake. But what premium, hey, I didn't feel.
America, I'm going to pass him come in do what you be. I am going to go check your money. Hey, move careful. Hey, so I'll kick you out. I was saying I ship in
Hey, Super Mario. What said that? Hey, see, idiot. Mario, Brunyana. Ubenya we bia do mo. Amede boy we ma no mu buwi na. Me head and trust in say ma me
Away, one want the funny answer no over there.
no e di we ba nyon. Osuba de na e dey na we.
Just opening it.
Good year na family dia mama.
That's media.
What anya hwe.
Mario. Hey, obedi.
For Roban mama. Hey. Oh.
Daddy has the one. Adi wa ko ba no ni say wo.
Hey, that's the talk by say nyina na ye be no man talk ba say mo be no.
Eh, we try.
Mi obi ade aya ma.
Dabio, mimi ti fi na me chen waji scan dey aya dey na odi abesa wato to sa niam we e dey ama won crofo no so mo no ba kire say e dey no be say o kire me dey nkura sesam ne mu asam no ana waji mi ana adwene ana nyansa na wuni first scan ma me na me nkoi me phone kwa me ni credit so ye na first scan ma me yentem fuma me na
se karo se hwahwani ha se wonam hodindi nyina no sa na wote
me te say
se wuye budu ntina megidi se madam fu watimi ne watena bepem sisi na se wonya sa
bla pos ubie wano no na mi se oba be Kenya asasem we uti kono na usi wono na mi se oba be Kenya asasem se uti kono nya sa ba kokora ani yedin wo nsumo mi yenu
senka me pa me ne sa
pipa
bu ya yemu oba nso
bra na be bu me wo na oye gangeli abe bu me ma no mame pepe
so wan hwe ya
sorry na be bu me ma
ade mu wonu anepe apui
hey ono ane pede sika ba yede
so dum pata
ka ba yede hey first kan ma me na menko
Tabia wa bichina ha wo ntemo.
Wo de maame bokwa, ikama me gina ha nyem hu fin. So nim se bi bum ho pa. One fa ma me ntina ma be hu fin wa ha no. Nti fama me na me ko.
Sikasema wo kan. Woni me mienu nyina nim se. Ye masade asbema. Me na wotena ye, na beda na komade woda.
E ko mo ne me
da.
Da
ben na obusa me bibia man fa ma. Just 3 days pa obusa me sika e mmaye no. E na wo hwehwe mia betum wo menya. Wo da mempo na wo mumia. Nyokofo no. Tum football kakra e mo. Ati mi de wo di me.
wo di scan maame ya, ikama me gina ha nyem hu.
O maame yale ye sika, e di sane yale ye me efi mi bottom. Na me de ma wo na de kohwe no.
Maame yale ye, se kan efi mi bottom. Efri utiri so na papa so kra me fa me ho. Scan na mi bisa na me se fama me na me nko.
Alright. Ai kwa.
Nti utimi nkasa bebere.
Mika kura ngosi hwe. De mesro. Kofi.
Nti uchire maame nko fi, scan be ba time. E bo sen ya.
Minti mi she time. But to dem go ne.
Sika no. E mo 6 o'clock. Na wo di aba, e bo 6:1 na. Wo be ba beto me. So wo mpa wo bi pe. Na wo kra na ya me tu take it mo sisi ya na me
ko ya. Me kan kire wo say ye jaye wo mami na butre. Me do minti mi nkasa but the show say aha na ye me na fufu mu. Ti wo de. Wo kofi.
What you asana me ka kire on? Me say mo 6 o'clock na scan na ye den.
Why mama ti.
Aba. Na wo nso. And then you first and last. Say me name boy. Kasa na do wanu betu. Papa we so left and right.
Carol.
Wonya show so wo yiri wonya bayi. Hai. Me mpe me wasem. Na me mpe se me ka bi. Na ka do be gina me sunkwa. Hey. Me mfe me ya cause me mpe se me kasa. Maro,
Munche meba. Sunkwa. You see. Esi ye two for now antia. Opa antia. Asembe ne nkomo be ne ne mario ntena hankan. Nanso osi de wo pe eno no. Sisi ye ndey. Eni enya no na eni onkoso toso. Cause ye odo asem koka bi abe 30%.
Dabi, enya onkoso no.
Yenim sa. Ewum se eka na akanye. Bye. Sisi ne akoye odo akoma mienu na ahia. Sisi mmi enja no. No ne baby ebesi no because ene na atena fie ha adi nkomo bebre.
Asa de okan ntimi nya no.
Ade me di no ho ya ye se hwe ga ni didi na tem wo ka bo besu. Ha! Ola wanu ma to father mo.
Maru. Ei, danse hu na be ma. Janke se be ma. Wo ba. Wei. Wo ba.
Oh,
me. Come on, get out of the Apu.
Mfamisi ya. Misremu pa. Mfamisi ya. Seba midasi mo. Misremu. Ni manufe.
Maye ngambi.
Ngana mgaye. Debio, ganis go bejani.
Maye ngambi.
Jemai. Adina wono na fiu sa sen how de.
O me mfa ma de. No credit
ya gimi.
Mate. Asa Maru.
Me da bitawachi.
Mbawo.
Debio, atimi na ye tare me hu wo ye me so ko. Ene ne trans onye ne. And this is the first time me ba be hu. Mo ya we dada. Ye ntam mana ye mo.
We be ma. Je mama sam.
O wa ha se me ya ti bibi ma ne hu se atade na wo ye ne ko me hu. Ba efri me hu. Ba ye me ya. O ya obaje na go ko so ai. O so ne no obaje.
Abra da na ha hu bebe da wie na bo.
Ha me hu, I was say, na prepare one etie no. I was so to me the put them cry. Sa na bebe, say.
Okay.
Me proswati ase. Usuo no ayi no wura ase ntia ama enetie na the time.
Well, so na so anto.
Na so ben. Na nsuo to enframa. Eh,
She no epejo obi woduro. Ekosi bola mu. Hey, me am hu yo na so e. Me ti on kan chu. Utu kwai. Na waba. okay. Nti ana nse mi hu. Ede asa. Ejuma. Duma bayin. Broni ejuma. Hey. Wow, when is this gaba fi? Open why membu no ne den. Do wa honi bi obetima ya. Na se juma na nya den de. Mo hyere num ejuma koro. Ana se sikasam na ye. Ketue no betue ne de bia. Na se yo. Eja. Wow. De bia oh fine case ene ebe ya on mami nhia o. Na ka ye ni nkomo ni ye na ntimi nko FM station ko find out every details of it on ansa na ye hu ne ye. O de mate na de wa kai me na de wa ya de ba ako me nu ye o de mate mama nsesa mo sisi ana member why member
member
yo o de mehia o sisi
me dia say me be ye nkomo hia kakra mate se wo di nkomo bi say adwuma bi
madam fu bi o madam fu bi na nse na maintain kan so ofre me adan a broni ne se opem mabunu ni oboa wonim se ohu oden a obetima aye adwuma na ketue no pono na nka me pere ho se mehu o se ketue na de se ye duru ye ko FM station na ye ko bisem adwuma no se broni de wa wani
me yo
aberwa
nko
rana
chai me so me hu oden se me hu oden da me o me no ti fie yi me nko dwomu ma maso me peja ba chini bode na se bro yini de adwuma ba e biere ye ba chini bode
brana na ko na no oden na ye maya na se
oh me for so pini ho ama bro yini na hu se bi betimi aye na wo kwa se me no jemi ho oden chen
chere me ninda
bompa ye benya adwuma papa
brana na se de osi chirem no o san se de bia ye betua ye ka
de bia betua ye ka rade me da wase se dwomu me peda ba de wo me to form na me so me
to ba je joy
je be ko fa ho na enko
ya brana
ya but me won pre me fa pa no tuya ko ye na ye
na me se sam
come
hey we are senior do ready yesu
eno so de na
da sanipa bofre we mu ba wi agum yam
as undi anase den
hey dabi ma ya ma brabo na ye dene dodo hwe yesu we are sibe ye hutu
ade no ubedi ye nyina na ekote mai won se da wuni
me medi apu na me wi ade we hey baza me hu nyo sa
wo ya wa wasem me nyo bi asem
yo brabo pa ni chairman for mazi
Super Mario obedi
dedi
popo
mbodi we gumie
white popo
omu bedi nyam ye bedi na me ka ho
oba ya na yese ye papa
sinama cha no bo a mu yesterday
oba na yese ye papa
wo so no mu nya but mo mu ndi yale bi
Super Mario
sa life no e bia me ka mu kire mu ati me kan ba mi se bia mu ko adwuma
fine
o de ni adwuma
asa woni mi de koso
wo de koso se nyina yetua mu but at least
oh masa tada na
kura
ha shi awobi
boys munti mu se media ne mu
oh na se de ni
ye kwa ye be nyina ne nyina ne na mu munya ye nyina ne yedi minya ye nyina ne yedi mu be je di se if you come never see
enti nye ne den
na asema mate no minim se menwa ne mu te o se me ye de me be ka kire mu na me be ka kire mu yi mu fa kuma pa enso munji ni
ba Mario the way come si there de ti ham wo fi se wa ba na wo kapre e da ho a fa man ne fa goto bibi ni gobani bi yo kasai na me de ja
wonim se e din a ye nyina de be nya be nyina ye che
e na ye mo wan
good nti de me be ka no so wo di wa adwene ye de e ma me ansa na metima ye de akasem na kiro se wo gidi a menim se wo gye di menua ne mo wati ase na metinya ka na fe afama ye so ta se enti munyi ni na me ga gye di ye de asem simple
kasa
unia kai ni fimi kroma me de ba no na ka ne bonyum e bonyum a no bon change no na koto baby FM station bi. Masa. Nkome wo mu ni say. Oni bi free Australia aba. Yama yi. Wodi adwuma sunku bi ede. Aba adwuma no akatua no ewo mu no. Unua. You need to see something. Akatua no good. Minimum nyina so nim say ahai. Itimi da kombe 3 days, 4 days, 5 days na adwuma kran nyamai. Ense benye ne mpadwuma o ye padwuma. Adwuma no na ede. Emma. So that I say, obi hu obeka say be yempeble.
Na nti saa.
Hwe video ya eye adwuma den patunia. Scanning ma. Basi bibi say ya ba. Bidia ne mu.
Ntimi ni nyae.
Mi fa nchen. Dabi, o se mbe ka kire mu. Ne nyina de ho ede. Ehyem. Na kine bi no, mama ho be ka say mama kapre. Ebi kwa ne bi but because of say e ba shosho no wa mama.
Marry. Yi, wo kan adwuma. Nso yenye hu adwuma kura wo ka se boni de ba. Adwuma be na boni de ba.
And I make us a radio station, a Jumano, or the former Swede at the home. Say a co, na say in ye pa, Nako radio station, Nakuti Munjiri. See the home bedroom.
And today we mumati as a mobile quan as I say.
Oh, Unia, Safana make us a manusi, and almost the same.
Said your muti or mubu mutilinko ye, the aso mbeko.
That's a make a man can say Uncle Basha. As a magazine go ready. A Juman and Medeblo will say, saying a mati, Jenny na yen for your munya the yen shim, inso to me busuma ketua. Never made it, and also make one I said,
I mean, can't send me. If we are Sena, one will be anyone with chili for some pacodu,
of course.
Sure, me can't send me. Obi bagana hasi, obe family and madame food, so one shen fee man, Bruni, ha, me do young coupon. Madame for no phone, yes, a pencil.
I didn't know phone.
Ha, who could you condemn her master? Where Jumabia Motia Jumabia, Motia Jumabia. Media me met na heya Miami messing. Mimi ni matio, make a bibia.
Pate,
Ujaye ni bre. Munya ni bre.
Munya ni bro, we jajini
meba. Munya abotre mame. Modia,
ade boni be pa na fire de aye wo. O de wa ka chem. Boni be ne de aye wo. Unua ensei eyepe.
Anyepe.
Tie broni bia da broni.
Broni bia da broni. Eni bibini bia da bibini. Mame ka asem chiro. Mame ka asem chiro China. Se wo de niema beba na se wo babo atu agu a ye de yehuri so, yehuri chi, yehuri mene. Let me show you. Se wo nkwa ye me pese de ye be koda be.
Oh, Unia.
Yenya na
Se anaduya kwa na bitima ko FM station. Wo mo mpon tem, wo mo kwa mo mpon. Bitima ko ye inquiry.
Mi di wachi.
So dey say.
Meye.
Hwe. Na jake ko ekwo na me.
Masa.
Hwe.
Enye se me bom adwuma to agu.
Ene ye adwuma o. We nyina ye
wadwumi. Me nka ho aminimi. Ni nua ne mo. Me na minim de matena minim de mahu. Ana me ka kire mo masa. Me mamu fam tim ko hye bibim. Na kire Woody, there be a deep share. Nipa oba wo hwade an ubedi kada wa ubedi media me fa no kura na akire mu esemu fa me fa mo ho boy me ye mi mesin
obi nka se me no mesin no adwuma ne ye koye ne nka se ye pu ye nso ye adwuma what you say ye pu adwuma ne ye sua we ye san no at we ye adwuma emma we ye contract ye akore ni fiefo no mo ye no like utimi se omuhu odin uni mi se na mi se wajimi se anka na fadamfo
mi o me dem me ho bo mo menye yi mo wa
sorko
broni adwuma sisi ni wa na wo so beye ntu akodru ho na se wontumi a enye by force obi ka na se mi anam se afemi am se obi ankyekero atase ntu de to
because say omanyuma ne cry dem kai last time madam fu bia so kwa omo cleaning omo parking ne mani adi ntine bia na yesa kodru ade obetimi no na waye
anu ye tie ya obebresa wunya ka pressure awia ebe hwa
but asemba konso mi gusu eyi blay you ade no pay ntu didi se form si ode ye be kan ho mpodi obi aya ba say ye be fill forms do wa fill forms na ho fe na mo ye nuafo na mo ye say Minti the oil nasi. Obi be file forms. File money. No one call. No de pass them and Ghana de. Mahunu be paying. Onyaka si wapel. Wa anti asi adwuma no ground farmer. Nti amache se ma adwene ya mentanta nti ne ya be gina maka kan senti akoi. Wugidi se adwuma yi ode ya be ka ho de because the oil.
Asemu Ghana hankasa no I style be bache oni freestyle bi ayi. On to me nye foko. I was so there ka ho because adwuma nya wo dia. Eye broni na abaye announcement and am gidi kran po say announcement line be nya ne onu kwan radio station wo akoye no. Enti maame wo dia tum da ha dia hia ne say yan ye betumi akoho ne akoye adwuma nsa na ese na efata. Ye de be hye yensa ne betumi accomplish tax no. What I say? Into one day, Janasam, do I can the open young pel, and I say, who friend at then, oh, friend now pay and I'm in pill to mamma qua. Are you man there? I'm a John,
and no one I am a ginger because Ghana for the winning the baby, a tinny cook of course. Oh, upon one penana and I could an man soon be woman. Cafra. Had your Chanibon, I'm the uncle. Your mom higher said, you know.
Guess what? There is no job. There is no good pay. All there is Big Daddy. You can call me Boss Daddy, or you can call me God, Jesus, Mary, all the saints, and Satan combined. Guess what? You are now on the farm, and you will be working like a dog on the farm. I am the farmer, and I am the law, and I will be enforcing the law with this. Now you be a good dog, work on the farm, and dogs respect their master. You disrespect the master and you'll get a good kicking. If you are a lazy pig, then I will rub your face in your own muck. If you decide to wander off like a wandering cow, I will track you down. I will wear your skin and I will feast on your bones. Do you understand? Do you understand?
But Daddy, why all this?
Why? Because you are working for my money. You are making me money. Not you, you bloody idiot! And you will be going to a place even worse than this. Yes, Daddy! Yes, Daddy!
Yes, Daddy.
With some feeling! Yes, Daddy!
Yes, Daddy.
That wasn't a public announcement.
Don't believe everything you hear in the media.
We are here to work, make money, and take care of our families. Why have you changed your mind all of a sudden? What's going on? Please, me, I want to go home, please.
I want to go home. Me too.
Oh, you'll go home? Yes. In a box! You will be sent back to your family in disgrace! You will never see freedom again unless I tell you to.
Are you agree with what Daddy said?
No.
Okay, now everybody who doesn't agree,
No, me agree.
and you're gonna get a dose of grim reality. Now, you are here to work, to put food in my mouth. I am Daddy, and you are naughty children, and you will be punished. One more question. and he gets his brains splattered all over the plantation.
No, Daddy. It's okay. No, Daddy.
Crystal? Crystal!
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Enough! I will not say this again. I am the law. This is the enforcer. Oh, you're trying my patience, little man.
Your body, my body, is you, the working, don't know pay. Ah, why, Daddy? Why?
See this body, see this body.
See there your body, you work, no money.
You know what, mate?
Why?
By the look of your body, you're not going to last more than 24 hours out there. Get back in line. No more! I've had enough! You kids are getting a little lippy. Time to get to work. All right.
Eye me de pass me share wa ha. Na unti maronka. Me ka sa hu.
Ente hwanka.
Maro.
Da bi me ente nka.
Me friend enko wo sese broni bi o so ofri hehe. E na wo kokora wa hankra me. Misrew. Why?
Hey. Hey. Se karo se hu ahoni. Enne me na wahia me a wo beg me say and answer ni nyina afiri.
Na my day.
Wo hu se ni nyina afiri. Wo ba ya ye gbagbagbagbagba wo mu be ma the pressure ma be ma sa. Ye yi 1 week say si wo se fa hwe be ma wo betimi. Eye munyam to boase kakra ma mema. Ha? Si say wo koye wako se wo tinkwam se de ade na eye no me mentene nka. Ena even kura senka me kura matene nka kura ka wo me nka nchire. Hedi wo gu nkozo je nya asem nka ma beli na sum. Sale
Mr. Watson. Who does what information be the catch them?
Owu a. Eye ne ehu ka wo befa. Adaka ka wo befa. Se wo befa. Ma me nka asem bi nchire wo. Hwe wiase na ye wo no. Mususu fa pressure emma mema. Susu fa pressure he adwuma yi ba ye me wode betu manim obi ama me pressure me ni mrofu bebrebe a wo mutimi fa bibifo na o ma ye wo mute se de sabi esi na anyanya wo mu me ka kire wo mu se mu nko me kan o yese me kura de ma bodam ma adwene nya adwuma ena wo mu ko me de no kura na wo mu ko no ma ankra me nim ba bi wo mu fa ye de me te ya ne se yese wo mu ko mti me mente wo mu nka bi se wo wu so wote ase maintain nka enye pressure wo de man no ena sikasem ena nka wone ne ten ena Mario ebeyeye kakran na wo krokro no kakran we di kakra ba we yesi ya unim se nka beboa anka sise mmiri nka wankoye eya mususu ma pressure betima ma wo bi pressure one day obekwa akotwa akwa mpawu na ka abon ni nyina gina momoma yi so
Oko
well meba why meba
hey, my big mistake. Come on, for pressure, I'm out way and go how. Ka wa hanum say hwan na me ko bisa na sefi no Jack ko bi sun kwanso ko bi yi rade mobo yi my mistake ko
Well, I've been watching you, slaving away in the field. You've been busy little beavers, haven't ya? And you know what? Big Daddy is very, very pleased with you. I told you that if you did well, you would be rewarded. And 2 of you will receive that reward right now. When I call out your names, you will be my enforcers. Congratulations, Akwesi and Techi. You are now officially my henchmen. All right. My goon. How are you doing? Congratulations, man. You get to hold the whip.
Thank you, boss. Thank you, Daddy.
That's all right.
Thank you.
Your daddy is very, very pleased with you.
Shut up and keep quiet. Now listen to me. As you all can see, my work hard make me a bodyguard. So from now, if you want to be a bodyguard, I will make sure that you work hard too. Right, brother?
Yes, of course.
Now, you cockroaches.
Hey, Tachi. Mom,
Rabbit. Shut up, my friend.
But we told you, we're brothers. Yeah.
Brothers?
Yes.
Brothers.
Akwasi, what are you saying?
What is brothers? From now on, we are going to make sure that you work as we did, right, brother?
Yes, of course. Listen and listen attentively. Muntie asemana meka kire mu. Se wo ya adwumaden a bibini empa hoto. Ye ya adwuma no no obi aso ye ye nya adwumaden a ye na me ye de ya freedom.
Yes, sabo you on pebre.
Meka kire mu. Ha. Ye na wo ye se ye nhwe mo so no nkire se. Ye mama fam ho adi. Ye mama tim ho ase adwumaden ye. Anu ntini ese buroni na wo haye ha adwumaden ye. Every ena kro. A man of who of a woman of Megarimi. Hey, has he charmed you or what? Will you shut up?
How was he?
Was he? I'm not Peruvian, I made dear. I was so bad more for all the background now. I can't make one and Saturday. Hey, shut up! Early in the morning. Was he? Oh, yeah. It's your dear son, Oma. What had I? Not coming to me, sir. When I want you pay the coming home, I'll make me up 1 minute. Now, the daughter, a cool way. And see, when I be Yama, that's it. When I will Yama there, she played him a problem. So, money I have because of money. And see, we Yama. Respect a white man. Do you understand?
This is a form of betrayal.
Yes.
You guys have betrayed us.
Yes.
Listen. I don't understand most of what you just said. I don't speak oingo bloody boingo. Listen to this. We've got a new contract coming up. Now, if you work hard weeding in the field, and I can see you, Georgina, you've been working a little bit too hard, judging from the leaves in your hair. Have you been using your head as a bloody rake or something? If you do well, weed in the field, then we're going to get the contract, and I'm going to get the money. And you, if you're lucky, are going to get a bowl of porridge.
We are super. We are full back. Mammy Casa. But I said anyone and we are full back. We are full.
Techi, go give her a taste of the cat. Now, remember who's daddy? Right? Yes, daddy!
Yes, Daddy.
Now,
Yes, Daddy.
and remember what daddy says. Respect your elders. These are your older brothers now, and they will be able to lash out punishment whenever I see fit. Do you understand me? Yes, Daddy!
Say yes, Daddy!
Yes, Daddy!
Say yes, Daddy!
Yes, Daddy.
All right! Now, get out of my bleeding sight before I bite your bleeding heads off!
Now go!
Techi, Akwesi, Daddy, I called you here, away from the others, because I need to tell you a few things. You've been doing great work. The others are scared shitless of you, and that's great. What I want you to do is listen out for troublemakers, because I can see them. There's a spark of rebellion in their eyes. Now I need you to put that fire out. If you start hearing any trouble from those animals, I want you to report it to me. Because you guys are no longer part of them. You're one of us guys. You are my white monkey brothers. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Now, second thing, I want you to build them up. I mean, they're working hard, but I need you to work them harder. Because we've got some big work coming up, and I want to make more money off them. Okay, now I trust you guys. And when all this is over, you're going to have money, you're going to have cars, you're going to have drugs, and you're going to have women. Can you dig it?
Yes, Daddy.
What do you think?
It's good.
You said women. 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 More than one. Maybe 2 or 3 at once.
Daddy, you don't have problem. As soon as you choose I, Techi, and my brother, I can see here, we are going to monitor them bit by bit. Whatever we hear or we will see will come to you, tell you everything they are planning. But as for the female, you don't have problem. But the males, they are troublemakers. But don't worry, we are going to deal with them drastically. Am I right?
Oh yes, of course.
Yeah. We are going to deal with them. So don't worry.
Well, I trust you guys. Alright? I don't trust any of them. You pull them into line. Otherwise...
Daddy, you don't have problem. Don't worry yourself. So far as you said that you give us money, you give us cars.
You forgot about the drugs.
Daddy, you don't have problem. We will know how to handle them. Don't worry yourself.
That's my brothers! Alright, now, go out there and give them the old iron fist in the iron glove. Come on, work, you dogs!
Sorry, sir.
Oh, fuck. What the hell do you call this?
Sorry, sir, Daddy. I'm late.
Hey, Master, can I from?
Put your bloody machete down! What kind of excuse do you call this? Now, get to work, you peon, or I'm gonna beat you like a pinata till soft lollies come out of your skull!
Sorry, Daddy.
Jesus bloody wet! Work! Work! Get off your lazy asses and work, you dogs! Catch the bananas and make me a duck. You're gonna get the smacking of a lot. I am like the eye of God. I'm watching you 24 hours, 7 days. Think of me as Santa Claus, and I'm making a naughty list right now.
Daddy.
Oh, what the bloody hell do you want?
No. Afford me.
Who is that?
Afford me.
Mate, you get one toilet break a day and that's it.
No, afford. Our shit.
Well,
Shit.
yes, I know it's and I'm sure it's a very nice one.
It's coming.
Just get that shit out of my face! For God's sake. Dig yourself a hole like the dog you are.
Oh, thank you.
I'm watching you. Remember, you can't take a shit without me knowing about it. That's it, my brothers. That's it. Start to slip. Chase the whip. Start to run. Feel the gun.
Daddy, I'm okay now.
Was it a good shit?
Oh, yeah. I'm okay now.
And that's good shit.
Yes.
Get to work,
Oh,
you
thank you, Daddy.
bloody peasants. Remember, my eye is on your ground.
I'll tell you.
Come on, you peasants! You think this is a holiday? You're on Daddy's farm now!
Get the fuck are you? You don't want to work. Hey, my friend, when are you standing there? Work! That was the target. Work! No! Oh, hey, thank you. Why? Why? You are here for one correct.
What are you doing over here? Get up and work, you fuck!
Get away from them!
stealing? You are stealing?
Keep working up a sweat, you dogs! All right, children! Time for a break! Lunchtime! Feed these bleeding peasants. All right. I guess a little girl needs something to grow on. Not today. On your hop. Go. See, this is where Daddy gets to be Santa Claus, and I work out if you've been naughty or nice. Is that enough for you? Oh, I can't say no to you. Off you hot little fella. You shut up! Hey. You're gonna get the back of my wooden spoon, sport. All right. You look like you don't really need this, but there you go anyway.
Wait. Answer.
Happy Christmas.
Shut up!
Hey, move on, Toots. You're gonna like it.
Answer me.
Or lump it. On you go. Now, you've been a bit naughty, from what I remember. There you go. Woo. Not bad, eh? Good. It's what you deserve. And as for you, you've been a little bit lippy. You've been giving me the old cheek. You get that much. Whoa. Now don't eat it all at once. Ah, you want some more? Oh, well, I'll tell you what. I'll tell you what. No, I'll take it, and I'll add a bit more air to it. How's that? It's good if you're on a diet. Move. Now, you've been all right. You can have this much. Say thank you, Daddy.
Say thank you, Daddy.
All right, Twiggy. Time for you to go on a bit of a diet yourself too.
Daddy. We've been working all day and we need more strength to do more work.
You want some more? I'll tell you what. Here's some more. Or would you like even more? Would you like that?
No.
Take it.
I only asked for more.
Go. Now! How's your appetite? Daddy's feeling generous. Enjoy.
Go.
How's your appetite, Buster? Yeah, I think that'll do, don't you?
Please, sir, may I have some more?
Why, of course you may. That's Daddy's way.
Go, my friend, go.
All right, my surly child. You worked hard today. You get extra. There you go. Enjoy. Get the bloody hell out of here. Okay. Now, as for you, sport, Mr. Shitty Pants, Mr. Can't keep his poo in his poo hole, here's some shit for you. How's that? Oh, it's just a little one. Just a little stain. Now, on your way, sport.
No, Daddy.
Yes,
Is
son.
it because I'm a slave? That's why you have served me this.
No, it's because you're a bad slave. You're a terrible slave.
No.
As far as slaves go, you're the bloody worst.
No. Go
right. Rifle. Now, are you a good slave? Are you going to be good to your daddy? Are you going to talk back to your Santa? Then, all right. You've been on the nice list. There you go, sport. Good, eh? What? Are you giving me the old stink eye? Are you giving me the evil eye, mate? Are you going to take this and appreciate it? That'll do. And as for you, Slim Jim, mate, you need it. On you go. Put some meat on your bones, you weird little stick insect. As for you, you look like you've been snacking on this before we even served it. Come on, give me the old thank you, Daddy. There you go, son. Your daddy's really happy with you. Off you go. Now, have you been a good slave? Do you want a kicking like a naughty dog? No, Daddy. There you go. And one for your dreadlocks. All right! Is everybody happy? La 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 la! Is everybody happy? La 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 la! Everybody sing! La 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 la! Sing my friend! La 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 la! La 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 la! And if you don't like it, you can choke on it!
Enjoy your food.
Hurry up, hurry up. Who's not ready? What's happening with Sadia?
You called me here?
We are here because we have information to give you. Those cockroaches, those animals over there.
I'm gonna shoot that bloody chicken! Anyway, carry on.
Those cockroaches over there, they have run evil. They want to break out. They want to run away from your farm. Bastards. Yes. That's my brother. That is what they are planning.
Let me say a question.
Yes, Daddy. One thing I know is we have to act fast. Because all plans that we plan will be in vain.
All your plans. All your plans.
That is it. Please.
All right. There's only one thing for it. Planned farmyard apocalypse. There's only one thing that I'm going to have to do. If they escape, I'm going to track them down like wild pigs. And I'll shoot them!
Yes.
Like that bloody chicken!
Yes, Daddy. Yes.
Are you with me on this?
Yes, Daddy.
Yes. We are with you.
Alright. I authorize you to use lethal power.
We have to fire them one by one.
We have to be ahead of them. We have to.
It's gonna be like a fairground shooting target. Ping! 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 Ping!
Yes.
And you know what the prize is? It ain't a fucking teddy bear. Let's do this, gentlemen. Alright, scum! I've got some news for you. The contract came through this morning, and you're going to be making Daddy lots more money. So I'm shipping you all off to the farm. Now on the count of 3, off you go. 1, 2, 3.
We are not going anywhere. We are not following today. Freedom must come today. We don't care whether you kill us or not. Because already we are dead in the living. So we are not going.
What the hell are you talking about?
Oh, yes. Yes. We are not going anywhere. Freedom is coming today.
Freedom is coming today! You surly bloody dogs! You're not even worth licking the mango off my safari suit! You talk about freedom? Well, you sure as shit aren't free, but you sure is dumb!
My people, run for your life!
Come on! Come on here! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! You are trying to run! Come on! Bitches! Hold the line! You ungrateful dogs! You are gonna get the kicking of a lifetime! Well, well, well. It looks like we have a few heroes among us.
We need to fight for our freedom. Take the body away.
Oh, shit! Can we talk about this?
No. No, it's our turn. Yes, my brother. You have betrayed us. You know why? I will not blame you. I will blame our own people. Yes, of course. Where is the money that we have worked for?
You mean my money?
Not your money. Money that we suffered for. That is what he is talking about. Where is the money? Fast! Good. Yeah. Can you just pick it and give it to me? Move! Good, Daddy. we are not going to kill you because we are good people.
Yeah.
Go back to where you came from.
Yes.